Ultimate Guide to Growing Dwarf Papaya at Home. Want to turn a small garden into a profitable business? Imagine growing delicious, tropical dwarf papayas right at home that can earn you big bucks. In this video, I'll show you the ultimate way to grow dwarf papaya trees and turn this simple crop into a thriving business opportunity. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide to growing dwarf papaya. Step 1. Selecting the right seeds. 1. Look for high-yield dwarf papaya seeds, ideally from reputable suppliers. 2. Opt for varieties known for short stature and fast-growing fruits. Hybrid varieties are often better suited for commercial growing. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Ideal soil. 1. Dwarf papayas thrive in rich, well-draining soil. Aim for a pH level between 6.0 and 6.5. 2. Preparation. Enrich the soil with organic compost to give young plants the nutrients they need. 3. Drainage. Proper drainage is essential. Papayas don't tolerate waterlogged conditions, so consider raised beds or containers. Step 3. Planting the seeds. Spacing. 1. Space seeds about 3 to 4 feet apart. Dwarf papayas don't need much room, but enough space prevents overcrowding. 2. Depth. Plant seeds about ½ inch deep and water gently. 3. Germination. Place seeds in a warm, sunny spot. They'll germinate in 2 to 4 weeks. Start indoors if temperatures are below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Watering and fertilizing. 1. Watering. Papayas need regular watering, but don't overwater. Keep the soil consistently moist. 2. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium every 4 to 6 weeks. Using organic mulch helps retain moisture and adds extra nutrients. Step 5. Providing proper sunlight. 1. Full sun. Dwarf papayas need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. 2. Indoor growing. If you're growing indoors or in a greenhouse, ensure adequate artificial lighting for strong growth. Step 6. Managing pests and diseases. 1. Common issues. Watch for aphids, spider mites, and papaya ring spot virus. 2. Natural remedies. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap as organic solutions. Regularly inspect plants and remove any diseased leaves. Step 7. Harvesting. 1. Time to fruit. Dwarf papayas can start producing fruits as early as 8 to 12 months. 2. Signs of ripeness. Fruits are ready when they turn from green to a golden yellow. 3. Harvesting technique. Use clean, sharp tools to cut fruits carefully, avoiding damage to the plant. How to start making sales. Step 1. Market research. 1. Local demand. Assess local demand for papayas. Fresh fruit markets, grocery stores, and organic stores are great initial contacts. 2. Export opportunities. Consider markets with high demand for exotic fruits. Research export requirements if aiming for international sales. Step 2. Pricing and selling. 1. Wholesale versus retail. Selling wholesale to grocery stores or fruit markets yields steady income but lower margins. Retailing directly to consumers can be more profitable. 2. Online sales. If feasible, consider selling online or delivering to nearby areas. Fresh fruit boxes or papaya subscriptions are popular trends. Step 3. Packaging and branding. 1. Unique selling point. Market your papayas as organic, homegrown, or exotic. 2. Creative packaging. Use eco-friendly, attractive packaging to stand out. Offer packaging in small baskets or with recipe ideas. Step 4. Scaling the business. 1. Land expansion. Once you see success with a small plot, consider renting or purchasing additional land for larger crops. 2. Value-added products, beyond fresh fruit. Think about selling dried papaya, papaya smoothies, or papaya-based skincare items. Step 5. Building a customer base. 1. Direct marketing. Use social media to attract buyers who are interested in organic or locally grown produce. 2. Networking. Connect with health food stores, cafes, and restaurants that value fresh, exotic ingredients. In just a small space, dwarf papayas offer a fantastic opportunity for both home gardeners and aspiring entrepreneurs. By following these steps, you can grow a fruitful papaya business that not only brings in profits but also adds value to your local market. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Prince Sam Official channel for more insights on profitable home-based businesses. And remember that Prince Sam Official loves you all. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.